today I'm going to show you a simple experiment you can do at home. It's called the rising water experiment. Are you ready? Okay, so we will need a plate, tea light candle, water, a jar, and a lighter. First, we need to pour water on the plate. Then, let's put the candle at the center. You will need the help of an adult to light the candle using our lighter. Now it's time to cover the candle using the jar. Let's see what happens. Look at the water! It's rising! This is because the candle heats the air inside the jar. When it goes out, the air cools down. This creates a vacuum that sucks up the water from outside of the jar. That's a really fun and simple experiment. Did you enjoy it? I'm glad you like it. Till our next activity. Bye!